Want me to make you one? All right. Let me get you some coffee beans.
I have a chicken here.
Do you want any marshmallows? Marshmallows. Do you want any sprinkles? Here you go. What? Did I make it good?
No marshmallows.
What? Did I do something wrong? Oh no, you didn't like the coffee?
It's hot.
It's too hot?
Hi.
You want me to make you an iced coffee?
Hi.
Oh, well, we should have asked. I would have put ice cubes in it. Can you make me some more Alani elixir? I want vanilla flavor, please.